So today we have see how to find the surface area of any sphere body. In that question we have a sphere ball, okay, that have the diameter 40 centimeter. So first we convert diameter into radius. We know that uh, we know that radius that is equals to d over 2. Okay, that means the diameter we have that is 40 over 2, so we get radius that is 20 centimeter. Okay, now we find the surface area. So surface area of any sphere body is found using 4 pi r square. Okay, so now 4 pi we have that is 22 over 7, and r we have that is 20 square. Okay, when we put these value into calculator and find it, so we get 5028.57 is the final answer. So this is the way to find the surface area of any sphere body.